Yo, what is up, guys? Today, another trade recap. So, today was a pretty bad day, I would say. So, through all this, I was pretty short today, right? But as you can see, we were long. So, reason for me being short is that uh, when market opened, we had this really nice low right here. So, that's the first thing I wanted to target, right? This was basically my drawn liquidity when market opened. We did not sweep this yet. Another thing what we saw is like this 4 hour getting respected and everything, and we have these like lows down in here. We swept this low, meaning we could be bearish, right? We feel to go up here, so I was mostly looking bearish. I didn't have any reason to move higher. Price was balanced, price was okay, and I was just bearish overall. So what happens when market opens? So right here is where market opens. I measured out these two candles, like this to this, right? I measured this out, and I saw this literally going happening, and I did not have my top step open. I didn't have my top step open, and I tried to open top step. It didn't work. I mean, it did kind of work, but was like loading really slow, and it was just did not work. So this literally, this would have been the best trade I could have possibly taken for the whole day. This was a great trade. Why? I think we also failed to sweep this high. Actually, we make equal highs, but like that's not. We failed to sweep that high, right? And like this right here, I would have taken it with like at least 2 micros, maybe 3, depending on how confident I was. But at least 2, which would have been a good like $300. I would say $300 probably. So yeah, that would have been a really nice trade. So yeah, but it did not happen. I missed the trade. And what up happening is that this trade really upset me, and I really started feeling it. I felt it so good. Like today, I didn't feel good at all. Why I missed this trade, and then I started like revenge trading. Actually, not revenge trading, but like FOMOing a bit. Then I wanted to take something like this. So that's the trade I missed. Then I took something like this, right? Because I had no reason to go long. So I didn't really want to see the shorts happening. I took something like this with 2 minis, 2 micros, which was way too much risk. And I didn't even take the optimal entry. I took mine like a little bit down here, which was even more risk. So then I took a big loss on this, and $160 loss on that. And then I was like, bro, what am I doing? And then I was still short. I had no reason to be long. And then, yeah, price kind of cooked me up. And then, I measured this out as well. Oh. Then I measured this out as well. And I saw on the 2 minute us respecting, this candle sort of respecting this, going back down, and I felt like, okay, this is pretty good. Measured this out as well. Had this OTE level within this, took a short as well. So these were the 2 shorts I took. One to go down, took this with less risk because I was already down for the day, and I felt like I did really want to take that with 2 micros, but I held myself back, so that's a win on that part. But those are the 2 trades I took, both resulting in a loss. Because basically this trade, it was not that bad, but the reason why I started looking bad was because we were in a consolidation. But the way I managed it was pretty good because I de-risked, but I could have moved my stop loss to break even and just not be in this consolidation. But overall, me chasing here was, I would say it's not like bad, but I have to keep in mind, right? This is my drawn liquidity. If we take out my drawn liquidity, what is like the next draw for me? So basically, we do not have like any like retracements, right? There was no reason for me to retrace. So I was just looking at the next low, which was down here. So this was my next draw, but like we did not make the move down. So yeah, so that this move was like kind of bad. So overall, today was like a pretty choppy day. I think tomorrow we will take out all these lows right here. Like literally all these lows are gonna. I think we will take all of those out tomorrow. And yeah, I'm still bearish overall, unless we inverse this gap right here and move above this. Then I'm not bearish anymore. But until then, I'm still bearish. Could see price coming down here, but I'm still really bearish. So if I look on the top step accounts, like two losses, two trades. So yeah, this kind of equals out yesterday's win. So 2 losses. As you can see, yesterday's trade kind of got equaled out. So yeah, did feel like a lot more emotion with today's trading, and did really feel that a bit more. Would I say I did hold myself accountable for like I did really want to take that third trade, but I like said, okay, I'm not feeling good. I'm not gonna take good trades anymore at this point. Price is not doing what it wants me, what I'm looking for, and like I'm not in a currently good state of mind. So I just locked myself out, closed off the chart, and like went on with my day. But it did kind of affect my day. I was kind of upset about it, but I still kind of did the best as what I can, and tried my best to manage everything. Uh, overall, I did I did break like one rule that I kind of like. I did not break it, but like I kind of forgot about it. That was I have to journal before I take a next trade. I did not journal the trade. I like completely forgot. So that's the thing I will probably not be forgetting next time. That's the only rule I broke today. But I would say it's not like a really like it's an important rule, but like it's not like the end of the world. For example, if I did take 3 trades, for example, that would have been more serious than me not journaling. So yeah, but like it's not like I did not want to. I just forgot. I did not like actually wasn't that time that I actually remembered to do it. But yeah, that maybe says something about the way I was trading today. But yeah, that's it for today. Like a big loss across all 3 Top Step accounts. We copy traded all across all 3. So yeah, it's just losing on every account today. A loss on every account. It's not. I mean, yeah, it is what it is. What can I say? It's pretty annoying, but yeah, it's what it is. And a thing that I also started to realize is that the last couple of days I was winning pretty a lot, right? That puts me in a certain state of mind that I'm gonna win every day. But like this is just the reality of trading. I cannot win every day. Even if I did not take those trades, right? I would have probably been looking longs. I mean shorts all day long, and like this is like really bad price action. So overall, this trade right here would have been the best, but I missed it, and then just resulted in me 2 losing trades. But yeah, what can I do better next time? Be on the chart at the market open, have everything ready, and like be there when the time is calling, right? So yeah, that's all for today's video. Looking back on today, I think I kind of learned a lesson that I cannot win every day. Looking back on it, like at the moment for me, like losing was really not a great time because the kind of emotions were going all over the place. But me looking now back, reflecting, like today's loss will probably make me a better trader. I do understand that I cannot win every day. Maybe I'll lose tomorrow as well, but that's perfectly fine because I just have to improve myself as a trader. Have to focus on what I can see and what I cannot, and the results will just come. If I just focus on everything except for the results and just me improving myself as trading and me taking the good setups, me following my rules, following my habits, and improving every day. For example, like me live trading like these days are showing me that I should not really be trading within consolidations. I out of all the trades I took in consolidations, one was a win, and the rest was like just long time for just being long in a consolidation for no reason. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And my highest, like the most of the times when I win is usually when the price is pretty clear and like there's a good direction on it. But today, yeah, no reason for longs at all. I would say no reason for longs at all. We were balanced, like these were all balanced out. Like no reason for longs in my opinion. Nothing up here. Yeah, so I would actually say no reason for longs. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I think tomorrow's FOMC maybe. Forex Factory. I think tomorrow's FOMC out of my head. So FOMC is tomorrow. I don't know what's gonna happen. So we will see what's gonna happen. To AM session. That will be like my actual first time journaling FOMC and really seeing how price action is, and that will be also be a learning point if FOMC is like a good. I'm only gonna trade AM session, so if AM session is not doing good, that's gonna be a learning point for me as well. Saying okay, AM session is not the time to trade when there's FOMC and stuff like that. But yeah, we'll see tomorrow if there's. I will focus on my trading a bit more and improve. That's all I can say. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching if you watched, and yeah, today was a loss overall, and see you guys tomorrow.